Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I am Lee, and today, when we're not kicking stuff about, we are going to get into painting the GTI's manifold. Right then, so there's our 205 GTI manifold, and we're going to be prepping it so we can spray it with the lovely Halfords very high temperature paint in the black, because I've got a Sportex back box. Obviously that's black, they come black, sprayed black standard, so I thought I'll just do the entire exhaust black, nice and simple. I'll put a link in the description to this bad boy. I've used it quite a few times. It's cheap and it's effective, and that's all we're interested in. So, I already tried to clean this with my tested and proved method of the deoxy. I'll put a link about here somewhere to that video if you're interested. And, well, it didn't go very well. Spoiler alert. So we're going to clean it with a good old-fashioned wire brush. So I'm going to do maybe an hour's work with this bad boy, and we shall see the result. So I've cleaned the manifold up. Now, did the deoxy really lose the challenge? Nah, because I don't think this thing would have come up this clean if I'd have just wire brushed it from the start. A little bit that I can't get into there. Look. I'll give it a go in a second. But yeah, I don't think the deoxy really lost that challenge. I just think it needed a real good wire brushing afterwards. Tell me in the comments what you think. That's the manifold, nice and clean now. I've just got some makeshift cardboard up the side and on the bottom. Not really bothered about the rest of this stuff getting some slight overspray on it. But I have masked off the bottom. These bits I want to get painted. You don't want any of that bit getting painted where the gasket goes. So we are ready to spray. You can tell the difference already. It dries pretty fast as well. good does that look now? Like brand new. All thanks to the Halfords very high temperature paint. So yeah, I'll leave that in the description. You can clearly see it does a good job. I'll do a follow-up video once it's all installed, and we'll see how long it actually lasts on the car. But yeah, there we go. This has been Retro Cars Reborn. I've been Lee. Thanks for watching again. Like, subscribe, leave a couple of comments, and I shall see you in the next video. Until then, see ya.